What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're taking out the dump truck. It is kinda windy outside. Well, it's not kinda windy, it's windy and it's cold. So I apologize for the wind noise in advance. But basically, you really don't need to hear anything, you just need to see how it is. So we're gonna test it. Real world situation. I'm doubting it gets up there, but we're gonna try. And it's coming up to you next on this episode of No Pros
Welcome to No Pros RC.
Enemies.
Driving with a load of stone. She is hard to drive on stone with a load of stone.
A few moments later.
It's time for POV. Truck dumping load POV. Hey, No Pros.
Okay guys, so there you have it, a brief demonstration of the YIGONG dump truck purchased from TikTok. And as you can see from the video, it does pretty good on like blacktop surface, and it does okay in gravel, but when it gets kind of thick, it will get stuck. The tires just aren't good for that kind of terrain. It'll probably do a little better in sand, but it rained the other day, so, well, it rained yesterday, so the sand is kind of probably a little still wet, and that won't help our cause any anyway. But we still will get to test it in the sand, because once we unbox Bulldozer, we'll have all three in the sand pit and we'll see actually how they do. So until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to comment below if you have one of these guys. I think this dump truck is more or less perfect for the house and maybe just hauling like little blocks or whatever. But yeah, other than that, it's still pretty cool. So if you want to purchase this, the link will be down in the description below. And until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.